hear about it until today.
Yeah, honestly, I think a lot of women are probably only hearing about it because we brought it up on the air. I bet, man, wouldn't it be funny if there's like virtually like zero change in attendance at jobs today across the Garden State? Yeah, let us know that too. Do you know anybody who did not come in today? Oh wait, and here's what sucks.
Look at this fucker. Damn.
How are you going to convince the boss that you were not being honest?
Candace and Ocean, you're on New Jersey.
That shows you the power of Mother Nature, huh?
Hi, thanks for taking my call. I've been out
Holy
all
crap.
day, and I've been talking to younger people because I'm in my 60s, younger women, and they don't understand what they're
No, I haven't seen any branches blocking the trail yet, but I really don't think there is any.
I know that not all the women in January were wearing
It's just
those
amazing.
costumes, but the ones who did, it just seemed like
Big damn tree.
it was making the message then seem silly when they did that. They turned it into the vagina monologue.
Jeez, if I was here, if I would have been here when these trees came crashing down. Wow. Jesus Christ. Wow. That is amazing.
You're on New Jersey 101.5.
Hi guys, how you doing?